Hey everyone, welcome back to HowToHub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the RedNote app on your iPhone. This app is an alternative to TikTok that you might have heard people using right now. So let's get started. Of course, you need to be connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or cellular data. On your iPhone, simply go to the App Store. Make sure you're signed into your Apple account if you're not already signed in. From there, go ahead and search for RedNote. When you search, just type in Red, followed by a space, and then Note. Once you search for RedNote, it's going to be this app right here. It might be hard to read because it's in a different language, but you're looking for this icon from this developer. Click on Get, and then click Install. It will start installing on your device. As you can see here, based on this, it's essentially an alternative to TikTok. Let's go ahead and download it to show you what it looks like when it's installed. Once it's installed, if you don't see it right here on your home screen, go to the very last page and check under Recently Added. It should show up there. From there, once you open the app, it's going to look like this. You'll need to hit Agree for notifications. Then, just click Send, and from here, you can go ahead and create an account or log in with your credentials. You can also use other methods, like Apple Login. Just give it permission, and you can use your Apple information to log in, or create a new login if you prefer. And that's how you download, install, and use the RedNote app. I hope this video was helpful. We're going to be doing a lot more videos on how to create accounts and do other things, so make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys in the next video.